Yes, guys, big up on yourself. Don't know. In the kitchen today, once more, cooking. Yes, guys, so today I'm making curry chicken gizzard. Yeah, man. No joke. Here are my gizzard, guys. My chicken gizzard. Pouring some vinegar in the water. Yeah, man. Get rid of that meaty odor. Yeah. So I'm cleaning up the gizzard properly. Make sure it's clean. Yeah, man. Yes, my peeps. Don't know. Yeah, man. So have to take the time out, guys, and make sure clean these gizzard properly. You know what I mean? Yeah, so big up on yourself, guys. Flex, I say one love and much respect. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Thank you, guys, for supporting my cooking channel. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. This channel, guys, where you find some real, authentic, local Jamaican dishes. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. So it's not just about shrimp and lobster, you know what I mean, and oxtail and stuff like that. Yeah, man. We get down to business, give you the real, authentic home cooking. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Don't forget, guys, just keep supporting my cooking channel. Yeah, man. Flex Jamaican Cuisine. Like, share, subscribe, and drop a comment in that comment section. For real. Yeah, man. Yes, guys, so clean it up properly. Yeah, man. Clean up my gizzard properly. And I'm giving it a rinse, guys. Make sure wash properly, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. So I'm giving it the third wash now, guys. You want to drain off the water. Make sure you get rid of as much as possible, you know? That is it. Stay tuned, catch it pre, and watch what go on. Yes, guys, so as you can see, properly washed, clean. You see me, I say? Yeah, man. So I'm gonna wash my hands now, guys, with some soap, and then I'm gonna start seasoning my powder seasoning. All right. Stay tuned, catch it pre, and watch what go on. Yeah, man. When we have to prepare food, we make sure we do it clean. Cleanliness is godliness. You know what I mean? That is it. Okay, guys, so first I'm gonna add some Walker's Wood jerk seasoning, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Not because it's curry I'm cooking, guys, but this body in the curry. You see me? Yeah, man. I wanna make the curry up. That is it. Some original Creole seasoning, guys. Yeah, man. I love my Creole seasoning. Slap your mama. Yeah, man. Original. Some Mrs. Dash, guys. Yeah. Some garlic powder. Remember, black pepper and salt is the #1 seasoning for bird meat. Alright? Yeah, man. So I got to have some black pepper in my curry gizzard. Good. Now I'm gonna mix this in properly, guys. And I'm gonna let this marinate while I prepare my garden seasoning. Alright? Yeah, man. And remember, guys, I don't season my meat with the curry. Alright, we burn the curry in the pot, burn the curry in some oil with garlic, scallion, and thyme. Yeah, man. Grandma always tell me, make sure you burn your curry. Yeah, man. Season down properly, guys. So I'm gonna cover this and let it marinate. Alright, stay tuned, catch it pre, and watch what go on. Yes, guys, so in the meantime, guys, preparing my garden seasoning. Clean up my onion, you know what I mean? On this meal, guys, my 10-year-old daughter Mia, she really loved this one. I'm cooking this special for her, guys. Yeah, man, she really loved it. So Mia requested this one, you know. Remove the seeds from out the pepper. This is the easy way to remove the trash from off the garlic, guys. You just smash them softly. Yes, guys, tell me what you think about this original Jamaican style cooking, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. This is a real authentic one, guys. Yeah, man, especially in the country, guys. Yeah, man, this cooks a lot. I used to, when I was in Jamaica, guys, I was a farmer, and I used to raise a lot of chicken. Yeah, man. I used to supply the hotels, restaurants, and schools with chicken, and I used to supply a lot of homes in my community with chicken. So I didn't have hand to sell this part of the chicken, the gizzard. Yeah, man. Every time when I'm slaughtering chicken, guys, people, my customers, they always order this ahead of time, even before the chicken is ready. Yeah, man, everybody put in their order. I didn't have enough to sell, guys. was like hot bread, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. So, alright, so I'm getting these garden seasoning washed up. Now I'm gonna wash off my cotton board. That is it. Stay tuned, catch it pre, and watch how I go on. Okay, guys, so I'm cutting up my garlic, guys. I like to cut my garlic real fine, guys. And when you cut your garlic fine, guys, it activate the flavors from it very fast. That is it. That is it. Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna add my garden seasoning to my chicken gizzard. Alright? This smells really good, guys. Yeah, man. Let it marinate some more, alright? Alright, guys, so now I'm adding my curry. Then I'm adding some garlic and scallion and pepper. Grandma has to make sure you burn the curry. This is the original way of cooking curry, guys. Alright, so now I'm adding my gizzard. man, this is a real authentic Jamaican meal, guys. Curry gizzard. Yeah, man. As we merciless say, me a the girl them gizzard. Remember that song? Yeah, man. We hear this nice artist cut music about it, guys. Yeah, man. No joke. So slowly you mix it in properly, guys, and let it bunge down properly before adding any water. Alright? That is it. I want to let this simmer down properly before adding any water. Stay tuned, catch it free, and watch what I want. Tell me what you think about this curry chicken gizzard. Yeah, man. Yes, guys, cooking some white rice. That is it. Yes, guys, so I'm steaming the rice now, guys, with a piece of aluminum foil. Cover the lid. That is it. Yeah. Yes, guys, welcome back. For sure. It's going on really good, guys. As you can see. Yes, guys. Watch this now, man. Watch this now, guys. Can't wait to eat this delicious meal, guys. Yeah, man. Yes, guys, that is